go.
Happy!
Double sweep, watch the balloon sweep, watch the overhead here. He likes it. He's going to keep going for that mount. He likes the overhead here.
Kaksang grip ko, kaksang grip ko kaya.
Up.
Open it on your terms. Open it on your terms.
He's going to open up by himself, I think.
You're good there. You're good there. Don't wait.
Tenta abraçar essa perna dele. Tenta abraçar a perna dele que tá próximo.
Pero ang timing, wala kang iba ang gusto
Tenta abraçar a perna que tá próximo.
Grip ang grip, grip ang grip. Kaksa ang grip, kaksa ang grip, kaksa. Kedua.
Para.
Kaksa ng grip.
Parou.
Ang problema, ang grip ko.
Match. Check up the pull up, please.
Kaksa, blawak, pangkaksa. Either kaksa mo o ang core mo. Either kaksa mo o ang core mo. Kaya mo nagatag problema.
There it goes. Don't give him back. Don't give him back.
Tagang balik ko. Kaya, base down pa. Base down pa.
Here you go. Here we go.
Bumaya. Atas sa ka.
Okay, don't let him kick that off. He's going to try to kick hard right here. Strong grip.
Tutuwa siya waka. Tutuwa siya. Thank you. Dira ka mo ka bumba, naiwak sa grip. Dira ka mo ka away. Dira ka away sa bumba.
Let's go.
Pwede mo na butang mo sa pants mo yung kamot para ma-circle mo ito.
Let's go. Get sleep back.
Ang kaksang grip wa kay kapoy naman isa. Kaksang grip wa. Kakson mo gid dapat. Kumba.
Try. Circle that up.
Okay na yung isa. Ang isa na lang. Ang left. Bantayan mo merigali na siya,
Grab the belt.
There it is.
Okay, now watch the tilt sweep here.
Bantayin merigali, bantayin merigali.
Okay, we gotta push the pace here a little bit more. 340 out. 340 till the end.
Kaksang grip, sumo, try. Nice.
Okay, now strong grip here. You do not want him to break that one again.
Kaksa, tuduwa, wala akong mag-grip si Simo, tuduwa ka.
Just cut around the other side. Very nice. Don't let him break that here. Don't break that.
Bumbaya.
Just get a grip again. Get a grip.
Ang grip kita, pero may away. Ang grip kita.
Okay, watch the lace sweep. Watch the tilt sweep. Okay, again.
Bantayin merigali.
Let's go.
Bantayin merigali.
Watch the omoplata here. Trying to put that in.
Kaksa. Baka malang-alang, adaktan kaya. Pero subukan pa.
Okay, guys.
Not let him hold you here forever.
Sir, buligi siya sa isa na kamot.
Watch out for the tricep grab too with the left on your right arm. Don't let him grab your tricep and pull it in.
Kapoy naman na siya, kapoy naman siya. Todo yan. 220.
Step on that. Step.
Why na? Gwa na na wak. Gwa na na yung mukamot. Gwa na na yung mukamot. Wak magsailong. Bumba. Bumbay wak. Bumbay siya sa player. Bumbay siya. Tutugin. Bumbay blawak. Bumbay ya. Muna na sa player. Wak.
Break his
Wak.
Again. Put some stress on those grips. What back?
Sige lang.
Stress.
Sige lang.
Stress the grips.
Pwede siya. Atras ka lang. Atras lang. Atras lang wak. Up.
Good, go.
Sige, go. Bali. Go. Agad.
Much.
Ikaw bala. Wak. Ikaw bala.
Watch Scooby. Much.
Sige, wak. Puli siya, wak. Puli na.
Go. Oh my God. Nice.
Okay, let's get the
Imo lang.
Paro.
Wak. Ano way?
Match.
When I call, you're gonna start looking for it, okay? Trade that grip.
Get your grips.
Good, trade it. Yes, that one. Good, now get a grip of your own here. Okay, now let's look for it.
30 second smiles.
Look for it.
30 seconds.
Yeah, look for it.
Kick might be open there. Left foot.
Wak.
Let's go. Start to find it.
Kick might be open there.
Sige, bumbala.
Start to find it. Start to find it here. Find it.
Wak, atak siya. Atak siya half guard.
Break the grip.
Atak siya half guard, wak. 10 seconds, wak. 10 seconds.
Make it tough. Make something
10 seconds.
Go, find it. Tickler right
Right
now.
now.
Find it.
Half guard. Go.